Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes. Today we're going to draw Quincy from Little Einsteins. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to draw two eyes. Sort of oval shape, sort of egg shape. Let's just complete it there. And then let's do the light reflections. And on the other side, light reflections as well. Now, let's color the pupils in. And now we can draw the irises. On both sides we can draw the irises. And then right between the eyes, you're going to draw a little nose like this. Right on top, we'll draw the eyebrows. And on this side, let's do the same. Right, then below, it's time for the mouth. So I'm going to draw the mouth a little to the side, a big smile, and then from here, you're going to draw a nice open mouth. A line to the side, and this will be teeth. There we go. And a little tongue as well. Now on both sides, we're going to draw ears. So I'm going to draw an ear on this side. And we're just going to draw the inner ear. And let's do the same on the other side. So I'll just make a spot there. And I'm going to draw another ear. And now we're going to connect it with the jaw. Now the jaw is going to be very close to Quincy's mouth. Like that. Now on top it's time for the hair. So on the side I'm going to draw his beautiful curly hair. And I'm going to stop right there. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. And now I'm going to draw a fringe. And then I'll draw the top of the head. So I'll do this side first. You can just draw a series of little bumps because Quincy's got beautiful curly hair. There we go. And then on the other side I'm going to start right here, and you can draw a series of bumps as well. Back to Quincy's ear. There we go. And then on top a little cap. A little cap sticking out. Now we're going to draw the body. Again, we're going to draw a bell shape. So I'm just going to do the outside lines first, like this, and then I'm going to connect it. You're going to make it nice and round, a nice curve going back. Now for the arms. I'm just going to draw a little arm like this, and another one. And then we're going to draw the hands a little bit different. So I'm going to draw a little thumb, a finger, and a finger. I'm going to stop right there. Or maybe let's draw the side of Quincy's pants on both sides. Then we know where to stop. Right, let's draw the other hand. A thumb and two fingers. In the middle, I'm going to draw a V, an upside down V or an A, like this. And then I'm going to connect this with a curve, and that's going to be his pants. Look, there we go, a curve. And now we're going to go to the feet. I'm going to draw two little lines out, and then we're just going to make it round. And on top, I'm going to make two sides for his shoes, and then the shoelaces. There's one, there's another shoelace. Two shoelaces, and now the soles of his shoes. And we're going to take it back. This side we'll do the same thing. And now on his pants, he's got these little stripes. So I'll just draw 3 stripes on both sides, 3 little marks. And there we go, and there's Quincy. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Quincy will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.